one more question while Shannon comes up to the podium here. Cool. Okay, so I guess. All right, we're gonna switch. Do you need the dongle?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to grab the mic? Help you out.
Hey everybody, how you doing? All right. Hey, I'm gonna get a little feel for the room and see who we got in here. So, how many AI is like? Oh, that's a crazy word. I have to figure it out. To be honest, I didn't think so. We're an educated group here. Okay. How many of us here are using AI every day for almost everything? Okay. How many of you guys are vibe coding and doing all the things and building really cool shit? Excuse the French. Okay. How many of you guys are in real estate currently already, buying, selling deals? Okay. Developers. Okay. Realtors. Okay. Did I miss anything? Pilots? Oh, finance. How many of us are in finance? All right, cool. All right, I just want to get a vibe of who's in the room. And can you, let me see if I can get this on the screen over there. Let's see if we're as smart as the tech. Aha! Hallelujah. All right, look at that. Now let's see if I can control it. Okay. All right, so I'm a realtor. I'm an investor. I own 51 doors. I love real estate. I love people. And I really just came here tonight because I know some guys and I started creating some stuff and asking the right questions. So I'm a newbie. I'm a beginner in AI. I understand AI. I learned AI a few weeks ago, really deep, okay? And now I'm here presenting. So how in the heck does that work? I guess I'm brave enough to say something, I don't know. But I'm hoping somebody takes something away from this tonight. So in real estate, one of the most irritating things on the planet is, who's my realtors? Really quick. Okay. Has anyone gone to an open house in their lifetime? Okay. You know all those signs directing you into the neighborhood? Somebody had to put them there, right? And usually women, we're dressed up. Gentlemen, you're dressed up. You have high heel shoes on. You're carrying all these things. Your dress is messy. You get to the open house and you're like, I don't want to talk to anybody. I just spent an hour putting up these dang signs. So think about a pain point in your business or in your relationship or in your life. Whatever that thing is, just irritates the piss out of you, and go fix it. That's what I did. That's what I'm doing. So I'm making this thing called SignRunner. It's not active yet. I'm building it out. I did screenshots today, just in case I couldn't get on there yet, just in case I couldn't demo. And the agent literally, so what is SignRunner? So SignRunner is going to be an app. Kind of think like Uber, Amazon, Uber Eats, and you drop an address into the website. And you say, hey, I have an open house. I've got it at 123 Main Street. I need someone to put up my signs for me. You put it in the app, and somebody like an Uber driver goes, oh, that's a gig I want to take. They take the gig. They're going to get paid for it, and then they go drop your signs for you. Now I'm looking fly at my open house. I don't have sweat rings under my armpits. I'm feeling good about myself. So that was a problem I'm trying to solve. Without much code experience, I built this thing. So I just wanted to show you so that you could build whatever you're building and solve a major problem, because I think right now is one of the most incredible opportunities in human existence to be alive. Does anybody agree with me? Okay, awesome. So here we go. You sign in. I think I'm so rad. You can connect to Google Sign In. Isn't that great? Person who doesn't know tech built that? Okay, yeah. So you can sign in, okay? And then next, you've got these jobs. I don't know if I can make this thing bigger. Let's see. Come on, tech. I'm trying to get there. There we go. I can build it up. I can't figure out a PowerPoint. All right, so here's the job. So I added a bunch of jobs in. This one is placing, so that means someone's out doing the job. This one's live, someone hasn't taken it yet. These are unpaid drafts, trying to figure it out. The app isn't live yet, but we're testing it so that it can be live. All right, so there's the job board. You've got an inventory. So open house signs, you've got all these different inventory pieces. So you upload a photo of your inventory. You put a picture at the front door of what this thing looks like so the driver knows what to pick up. And then you set the quantities, and it says, hey, do you want to use up all your inventory? Yeah, I do. Okay, cool. Next up, you review the order. Does it look right? Now, the cool part is it auto-places. So you use the AI to auto-place all the directional signs so that your person doesn't have to think it through. So the AI is going, okay, how do you get from A to B and get through the neighborhood What's the best path? How are you going to direct the most amount of traffic to that place? More bodies in your door, more sales. So the AI is doing that for us. You can also take it, so you can like drag and drop and put it wherever you want it to be if the AI screwed it up. AI is not always accurate. We know this, right? Anyone who's played with it? You set up your day and your time, figure out when you want them to pick it up. What is the window of time to do that? So a driver can pick up multiple jobs and then deliver on all of them and make a little bit more money. And then boom, your order is confirmed. Oh. So how many of us here think that AI is going to take out all the jobs? Realistically? Nobody? Okay. How many of you think AI is going to build a lot of more jobs for a lot of people? Okay, it's one or the other. Neither? Everything's going to stay status quo? They think it's going to build. So what I'm hoping is that we in this room, we don't lose jobs because of AI, but that we build something cool to bring more jobs into our community. So that's the idea of this. How do I use AI to give people more jobs? This is just tracking the job. So it'll track the job. It's posted to neighbors. The drivers assign. Signs go up. Signs come down. And in real time, it'll tell you exactly where that sign is, just like Uber Eats or your delivery. It's out for delivery. Your impact. So in this one, it's all not live yet, but total job 7. That would be 7 hours of my life saved and given back to me. So think about ways you can get your life back, maybe pay someone else or maybe have an AI agent do it. You've got your agent profile, you got it branded to your brokerage, and then you've got a really cool sign inventory. The driver, same thing, you sign in, you've got jobs, you pick your best job, you decide which one you want to do. You've got some earnings, you've got a driver profile. I wanted to gamify it, so it's like, hey driver, you want to make 10 extra grand this year? Awesome, put that in your profile and it'll alert you and gamify and ping you, hey, go take another job, you'll make more money, you'll get a little farther in life. They'll place it everywhere. And I just want to say, look, if I'm a realtor doing my own deals, making my own inventory of my own product, and I don't know AI, and I can build an app, anybody can build anything. I think for the first time in human history, we're all on a level playing field. So like if you have an idea in your mind, and you just think, maybe I could do it, listen to that little intuition, because literally the world is your oyster. Thank you so much. Oh, any questions? Any questions?
What did you use to build that app?
So I literally just went on to Claude. I literally learned Claude like 2 weeks ago, and I started talking to it. Talked to Arian. He gave me a couple like really good points. I just started talking to people, and then Claude Code. I didn't know what Claude Code was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I think you said, what is my go-to-market strategy and how are we going to get this going? So, of course, doing a lot of research with AI right now to figure that out, but basically you need a driver pool so that when the realtors actually need work, the driver pool is already there. So it's like, 2 realtors, you need like 4 drivers. 20 realtors, you do the math. So we're going to go after drivers first, get them excited, and then bring in the realtors. We're going to start in one city, and then we'll go bigger from there. But just starting small, make sure it works, get all the bugs out, make sure it doesn't break, and then scale. That's the goal. Did I answer the question? Okay. Anybody else? All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy tonight.